What is going on, guys? It's Need Challenge back in a video. I gotta do this quick. Making a video on my POV of the rocket launch. Obviously I'm a little bit late, but until 4th of July party, stuff like that. But yeah, this is my POV. I will talk to you guys after it. So enjoy. And there's the rocket launch and my POV of it. So I'm gonna make a separate video on talking about what I think it is, but I feel like this is still continuing the villains versus good people, and the good people stop the rocket from hitting Tilted. That's what my main thing is. Obviously I said the rocket was gonna hit Tilted to begin with, but clearly something stopped that to happen, and now the whole dome idea I do agree with. I thought of that idea before anything. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. Short little video just showing you guys my POV. I will have a video talking about it. Also, I'm gonna have a 1x1 strategy video, building strategies up coming up. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.